For us, the footprint is very important. We have worked on a roadmap towards 2030. We made a decision to use the means in the market currently available in order for us to reach our target.
NorthC is a typical data center operator, and data centers are mission critical. They store data of very mission critical applications and customers. What is very special in this data center configuration is the customer wants to get CO2-free backup power, and that is what we provide. So we are really the first ones now in this backup power industry who can provide a CO2-free solution. So what we do today is we test the engine on our hydrogen test bench with 100% hydrogen content. Means we demonstrate our customer that whatever he fulfills and whatever he needs, we fulfill in terms of transient behavior of the engine. And what we also demonstrate is the switch over from hydrogen to natural gas as one of the additional safety concepts for this data center.
Looking at the factory acceptance test so far, it's looking really good. It's fulfilling all our expectations. We as a client are always looking for a partner for a long-term binding between each other as where we can work forward into the future. So in that case, it's really a match.